Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, crack a no. Top showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone.
Lyrics all over my homework shit. Willing talent shows locally. Chasing dreams so you know we creep. Coming up, we're never gonna stop. It's a new day, it's a new dawn. Nothing new about it when I always come up with new tactics. Everybody's scared to lose their job. Everybody talking about AI, we're talking about practice. I gotta think all skills, you lack this. Now tell me how do you define success? I'm in the envy with your fave J actress, screaming my name the way can you get mustard? I'm a student of the game. Some of you doing it the same thing, true to what I claim. While you do it for the fame, denial if you try to say you don't know my name. Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, like a no. Stop showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone.
Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, like a no. Stop showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone. I guess they figured I would stop the flow when I would get a little slower just cause a nigga older. But then I know about this mic control when I ignite, explode, no opposition is over. Get rid of the competition, it's not even complicated to get with them niggas and finish them. I've been nominated, my skills so sharp, I decapitate them. Snapping whole niggas apart, I eradicate them. Lyrical gladiator, we major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone. The way your body you lead, you need to follow my lead. Everybody say they legendary, I don't believe. Some of y'all ain't even necessary, I'ma relieve these niggas and remove it from among the elite. Tell them they fucking with the killer when I pick up a mic. I might commit a crime and put them process to death. I'm ready to vibe, and once I get out your mind, I'm like a natural high. I'm top of the line, the best. They coming, so I'm ready when they come for it. Hustler with the gun pulled. If they really want it, they could go for it. They bug loud, make no noise. I'ma make them work for it. Get it, them niggas like, oh boy.
Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, like a no. Stop showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone.
Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, like a no. Stop showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone.
They said they wanna get high with us, begging for weed and they wanna come ride with us. Guess they want attention, not to mention. They saying look at me now like they got rhymes to bust. Chasing the devil and I'm not gonna follow the rules, but they believe me now. Facing the rebel, you already know 9 ninjas on the flanks, but we got 8 in the middle. My killer, living it up in Manila. Get on the mic and there no one iller. Stepping the wall like my name is Godzilla. Leave it fucked up but I never been a dope dealer. Auto-tune gives you that nervous flow. Got me wondering if it is purposeful. I leave weak, MCs hysterical. I'm making them feel the pressure like billionaires in the submersible. Go international, are we getting any cash at all? Are we getting any capital? Yeah, I did it in the Philippines, I did it in the capital. Working harder than an animal, believe it, this style came from Cleveland. You better bump it all over the region. What I gotta tell you about the what I wanna season. Bro, they won't pour for no reason. Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, like a no. Stop showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone.
Nah, like a load, like a knives, like a throw. Never hesitate to let the rise, like a no. Stop showing up whenever I rock a show, cause my rhymes are the dope, is a crime on the flow.
We major greater, catch up in here, don't be later, I'm really hoping they know. Don't give a fuck about your flow, you can't do nothing with bone. You don't wanna collide with us, leave it alone.